Alright, here we are for the grand finale of dump tube. She's welded. Oh, let me get some light. Oh yeah, there we go. Look how pretty. Pretty. Oh, maybe I should put that on the gram of the Insta.
Might as well.
We're trying to just line this thing up with a hole and get her done. So yeah, I think that's about pretty much concluding this fucking fiasco. What do you think?
Well, I think.
On camera, shut it off.
Came out freaking awesome, man. I appreciate it very much.
Good. I'm hoping you're happy.
Oh yeah.
Because it was not a lot of work, it was just timing with all this was just a hectic mess. Is that it now? That can work?
Maybe.
Now we'll
Alright,
see what happens. It's pretty close. The tape's right here. It's pretty close. I think it's got to go back farther. Maybe I'll have to cut it and re-weld it again.
No thanks.
Woo! Getting closer. Whatever you did made it closer. Okay, that made it farther away. Not bad. See ya. Fuck. Gotta loosen it a little bit more. That ain't gonna happen. Ain't gonna make it. Oh, fuck. How'd you? It's fucking welded way off the hole, man. I didn't do it. Alright, well, we're gonna figure this out and then we'll be back. It's done. Pay no attention to this rag that I left in here so nothing would get scratched. Okay, it's done. Just gonna clean up and I guess get off the jack stands and push it out and load it up. And then it'll come back some other time. For something. Maybe not.
Dude, custom decal.
Alright, we're gonna yank by the wing. Ready?
Oh! Oh!
Alright, don't hit nothing on the way out. Like, we should move that before you go actually on that one. Never mind. Sorry for talking. Hey,
We good?
Yep.
Yeah, you have brakes, right?
leave myself in your car.
Hey, turn. Turn now. Turn. Fucking turn. Straight now. Straight. Turn. You're rubbing.
We might need you guys.
Trav, open the trunk. Oh, that's fucking dope. Trav, open the trunk, 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 open the trunk. What? Baldy, open. You ever see him?
I've never seen him without a hat.
No, yeah. Holy shit, dude. It feels like I'm crawling out of a womb. Yo, what'd you guys say about the wedge being curved? No, we said it's okay because they're the same size as stock wheels. Did you fucking say that? Fuck you say, little shit.
Are they not?
Sorry, Trav. No, they're an inch bigger.
They're like
Okay.
eight, right? No E-brake. Yeah, when you're excited, the wheel was turning.
clean none of this, dude?
The car was mint. The F'd up my hood.
No, I didn't
F'd
clean
up-
anything. I haven't even washed this thing. I took apart my engine literally like 3 times.
Why?
Because first I did the VVTi cam gear, and then I thought
That went?
It
Make a
did.
noise?
It wasn't making noise. It wasn't leaking. It's just that
Wasn't working?
now it is. All right. So what had happened was we're on the dyno on the first day,
Yep.
and you can't get an RPM signal at all. So you started like kind of, but you kind of did to make it work. It ignored the crank signal because for some reason the cam signal wasn't working, and the crank.
Yeah.
We got the cam to work by taking apart the valve cover, and we cleaned off the like the teeth on it, and it started working. I guess there was schmutz in my head, probably from sitting.
There's fucking schmutz in his
Yeah.
fucking head.
There was fucking schmutz in my head. Alright.
At least you didn't crack my head.
Who, me?
What?
Oh,
Oh, that's good.
she's still on her car, by the way.
Me? Hey, I'm looking at every picture.
Yeah, I understand. But we took it apart and it made 526 that night. And then we think it's like we don't know what the issue is. I thought it was a voltage issue. So I added extra wires for grounds and my alternator. And it pulled like a dream all the way to 7,000. And it wasn't before on the dyno, it was stopping at 6. So I bring it back again. And it's doing the same problem under load. So it turns out it's just spinning tire, which is why it was going all the way up. That time we narrowed it down to what we thought was a VVTi gear because it was going to advance. We disconnected the solenoid, which should lock it around 0, and it wasn't locking it, still going too far advanced. So we figured maybe I installed it wrong. So I got a new one, installed it. The new one started making noise. I was like, you fucking kidding me? So I took it apart again, put the old one back on, went back again, and same issue. So this time we think it's a lower timing gear because I had already replaced the crank sensor with a new OEM one. So I ruled it out.
Why? Is it making noise still?
No, I replaced, ready? I pulled that new one off, put my old one back on because there was nothing wrong with it. And then I replaced the lower timing gear, replaced the crank bolt and all the stuff that I'm supposed to, like the tensioner and everything. Still no fix. I threw in my 20-year-old jank ass crank position sensor and it started up on the base mount. I was like, you fucking kidding me.
It wouldn't even start?
Wouldn't even start. He wound up using, instead of the rising edge, I guess, and the like the actual teeth or whatever, yeah, he reversed it and it would start up. It wouldn't start on the base map at all, only his like kind of hacks tune. But I got to start on the base map with the old ass crank position sensor, so. I spent a lot of time and money chasing my tail on shit, and it was 2 faulty OEM parts. That's like the most ridiculous.
What, you fucking ding that fucking thing?
Ding what?
The intercooler?
Oh, dude, I fucking rocks and shit are flying at me.
No, I mean on the bottom? Like it's
Oh,
fucking
no,
all caved in.
It came like that.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, I didn't
notice
buy that new. Previous owner was a little bit lower than I was, and he was a stance kid, so.
You don't need to be low, boy. You need to be funky.
I raised it up, and I raised the rear. I zeroed the camera as much as I could, but my wheel bearings are bad, so it's throwing out my alignment. Fucking pumped.
They were yelling at me when I was on a dyno because there's 0 fucking traction whatsoever.
Oh, same. Yeah. Literally same. We had
That's
to.
what I was saying. That was me playing you.
Oh. No, they were just like, alright, so we aired it out to 20 psi, threw all my tools in the trunk. I left them in the trunk because it adds some weight.
I had boys in the trunk and everything.
Yeah, it was me and my buddy in the trunk, and at 7.
Going like this.
Yes, we had earmuffs. It was still spinning a little bit, but he said 712 is a solid number. He's like, don't worry about the spin, dude. It's probably making what it's making. So I had it turn down to 553 wheel and all I gotta do is turn my boost controller up 2 full turns and it's back at 700. It made good power, it drifts. What more could you ask for? Maybe a quieter exhaust, which is why I'm here. Because it's, like my ears are still ringing.
I don't know.
Like still ringing from the drive.
I don't really like listening to them.
It's rough, man.
Wow, it's loud.
2,000 RPM, dude. 6 gear. I'm going like 70, and it's just screaming. I'm like, shit, I can't even hear my music. I just got my new clear timer cover on.
Nice. That'll be full of oil in no time.
Right?
Ew, no, it should not be.
It will be.
Why?
Full of money. It'll look just like mine.
So you better fucking not.
Coated in fucking oil.
There's nothing that leaks yet, so I should be okay for a while.
What was that?
I said yeah.
Exactly.
I got roasted by so many GTR kids who put the good in here already. I'm like, dude.
I'd be like, hey, you want to race? Hey, Tommy, you want to race?
Tommy F you?
I drove past the shop today.
Tommy, you want to race?
I use spanking. I have no traction. I don't even care what power he's making. I can't put any power down.
But don't worry. You'll beat him.
I don't think so. He has a legit GTR, right?
Yeah,
He's got that
he only has
all-wheel
500 horse.
Yeah, but he hooks. I'm only making 550 right now until. Well, I mean, I'd crank it up for that, but I would need some semi slicks.
No, you don't hold your foot to the fucking wood. You know what I mean?
Well, like then I'm only making 500. Oh, that's what you mean.
You just spin if you hold your foot to the wood. That's why I said it. Have to set it up with 5 gears, so you can fucking flip the switch, and you're only gonna make this much. You're only gonna make that much. You're only gonna make this much.
So how do you set up the boost by gear? You would need a control solenoid, right? A boost solenoid.
Yes.
All right. When I install one,
You said you were gonna order any product.
I
They're only
didn't.
like $20.
I didn't only because I really wanted to get on the dyno and stuff.
Yeah, I get it.
But it's on the list for the next turbo setup.
Don't look, whatever you do. Here we have them in a natural habitat.
It's gonna take a while, my man.
Push it. Push it. Alright, fuck. I got a low battery, so this is gonna be real short and sweet. All we did was make an exhaust again for this thing, so there it is right there with the hanger. And on the inside it's got, oh look at that, it's pretty neat. It's got a, you know, a defibrillator. Or something. And yeah, here's the rest of the fucking car. Yeah, cool, anyway. Look, he's got another seat. It was missing last time. And we took off these fucking, that thing. Other people are involved. It makes my job much easier and, you know, I get paid better. Because I don't have to work as hard. How you doing under there?
It's a hot exhaust, but you know, fine.
Because, you know, it's a hot boy car, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Well, sorry I didn't get to go step by step and weld all this stuff so you guys could see it. And, yeah, maybe next time. One of these other times. Because, you know, I'm so busy. And, working and YouTubing doesn't really jive. So, whatever. Truck behind you.